Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you what's inside my college backpack. I hope you'll like this video. So this is a Puma Classic backpack which I recently bought from Amazon, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside it. So as you can see, there is a protective covering over the chain, and let me tell you that all my previous backpacks were from Skybags. This is the first bag which I bought from Puma, and I think I'll continue buying bags from Puma because I like it so much. Now as you can see, the space is also good enough for any college student, and the length of this bag is 42 centimeter. So I think this is an ideal length for college students, because when I was buying bags, I was very confused regarding the length and the capacity, but now I can tell you that more than 40 centimeter length is just enough, and the width of this bag is, I think, yes, 37 centimeter. And this logo of Puma is also looking very great. So now I think I should show you what's inside it. First I'm starting with this chain. So first I'm having this new pencil bag. Again, yes, new pencil bag. And let me tell you that my mother gave me this, and in the next video I'm going to show you what's inside my pencil case, and I'll tell you a secret that this is actually not a pencil case. This is a makeup brush case which I like so much, and I requested my mom to give it to me, and after so many requests she gave me. You can see that the color is so pretty that any girl will attract towards it. Now let me show you next thing. These are Titan Eye Plus spectacles, and these are so important for me, but I don't use them much because I don't need them. I need them only, like, for example, teachers writing on the board and I cannot see. At that time I need them and I use them. And if I forget by chance to take them, that day just becomes hell. Now the next thing, the most important thing is the hand sanitizer. And not for me, for everyone. I think everyone from now should have this hand sanitizer in his or her backpack. I actually have two sanitizers, but this spray sanitizer, I just spray it wherever I have to sit, because I think this is also very important. Where you are sitting that place should be sanitized properly. Okay, so the next sanitizer, that is the hand sanitizer which I use for my hands before eating my lunch, is the Dettol hand sanitizer. This is more concentrated than that. Okay, so I think that both are needed and both are very important. So I use both of them. Okay, maybe you are using only one, but yes, I use both of them. Now the next thing, okay, what will come out? Yes, the most important thing for girls is this lip balm, which is from Nivea, and the shade is Berry Shine. And believe me guys, moisturizing your lips is very important, very important. And you must be thinking that this shade looks so hard, but let me show you the shade. It is not that hard, it is just normal, okay? And it has got that cute shining. Okay, so I love it. Yes, the next thing is this wallet. So I have this wallet from, I think, 1 year now. Yes, I have this wallet and I just love it. It is so sleek, so classy that I cannot remove my eyes from it. And let me tell you a secret, guys. This is not a wallet, this is actually a card holder. And as usual, I took it from my mom. I requested her so much and she gave me. She has to give me every time because I am a daughter. Okay, so the next thing, oh my god, it's empty now. Okay, so we are done with this chain. Now comes another chain. Okay, So in this chain, I have these pretty pink notebooks. I keep my books and notebooks according to the timetable, as I think everyone do. Okay, so I have these 3 notebooks, and I think that I should make a video on how to make notes, or how to make notes look attractive, because I think that notes are the integral part of studying. If you fail to make notes, then I think God can only help you in your exams. Okay. And the next thing, the most common thing of every student, is this tiffin box, which is blue in color, and this is from Milton. Now the next thing is this water bottle, and this is from Home Center. And this water bottle is of glass, and believe me, when I saw it on Amazon, I did not see the description, and I just bought it. And I thought that this bottle would be of plastic, but it came out to be glass. So it was a big surprise to me, but I liked it, so I did not return or exchange it. Yes. So now that's it. Again, this chain is also empty. My whole bag is empty now. Okay, so you can see I've shown you everything, almost everything. Now I'm going to pack my bag again as it was before. My bottle, my tiffin box, and then my notebooks. Okay, so let me tell you that I am a business student and I'm doing Bachelor's of Business Administration, and I'm in first year. Okay, so this chain is complete. Now the next chain. I think now every student is starting up with their colleges and schools. So I think that was a good time. Actually, this is a good time that I made this video. I hope you guys liked it. You liked my backpack. You like my way of organizing. If yes, then please give it a like if you wish. Then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, because there are further very 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 amazing videos for you which I've decided. And yes, if any queries there or any suggestions regarding videos, please comment below. Okay, that's it. Bye.